Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation. He was arrested by the CBI from the Delhi court. So while the Delhi Chief Minister has been in the ED custody, he has now been arrested by the CBI. He was arrested just before the hearing, I beg your pardon, in the Supreme Court. Arvind Kejriwal had challenged the High Court's bail cancellation. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal got bail in the ED case from the Rouse Avenue court that was stayed by the High Court yesterday. The Supreme Court was of course scheduled to hear the matter, but just ahead of the Supreme Court hearing in the matter, Arvind Kejriwal has now been arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation. This after Arvind Kejriwal was questioned by the CBI in Tihar jail last night. Arvind Kejriwal has now withdrawn the petition before the Supreme Court. He will be filing a fresh plea in the top court. So while the Delhi Chief Minister was still in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate, the CBI has arrested Arvind Kejriwal from the court premises. Let's go right across to NDTV's Ishika tracking the details of this story for us. Ishika, break it down for us. What happened in court?
Well, in fact, the big breaking currently is that CBI has formally arrested Arvind Kejriwal from the Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. In fact, they had said that they want the custody of Arvind Kejriwal to further do the questioning and then seek his remand. So, the court had in fact given permission to the CBI to examine Arvind Kejriwal in the court itself. Remember that CBI had already questioned Arvind Kejriwal in Tihar jail yesterday and day before yesterday as well. So now CBI in fact has formally arrested, and after that the hearing continues regarding CBI seeking the remand of Arvind Kejriwal. Now here in fact the CBI is saying that they have enough evidence, and they also have evidence that it was on the saying of the South Group that the excise policy was modified. In fact, they are, they have in fact in the court explained the entire sequence. They have said, the CBI in the court has said that on 16th of March 2021, the liquor traders were informed that Arvind Kejriwal wants to meet them regarding the excise policy. On 28th March, K. Kavita and Manguta Reddy met, and Vijay Nair, who was the communication in charge of the Aam Aadmi Party, he was given the responsibility of coordinating this meeting. Now after that, in fact, in the lockdown, this alleged South Group team flew down to Delhi in a private plane, and they stayed in Delhi till this in fact excise policy was modified. Now in fact, the CBI also goes on to say here that the Abhishek Bonpalli had sent a report to Manish Sisodia through Vijay Nair, Sisodia's secretary. C. Arvind then had typed the report and then sent it to the Chief Minister's office. So this, this in fact group of ministers report was actually prepared by the South Group. The report was then sent to LG office. So these are, the big statements now, big arguments certainly that are coming from the CBI's counsel. Here in this matter, CBI has questioned that all of this modification to the excise policy was done in a haste in the lockdown, and it was done because it was the South Group that was here present in Delhi when this modification had to be done to the excise policy. They have in fact said that who was in the command of this matter. It was certainly Arvind Kejriwal, who was the Chief Minister. It was under his directions that all of this was done. So CBI currently is explaining the role of Arvind Kejriwal in this alleged excise policy scam. Remember, it was the CBI that had first registered the case, but it was the ED which had arrested Arvind Kejriwal in this matter. And when he was in judicial custody, for the last 2 days, the CBI was questioning him in Tihar jail, and today CBI has formally arrested, and now in fact they are seeking the remand of Arvind Kejriwal. So certainly here CBI is saying that they have enough evidence. They already have established money trail. They have shown how the 44 crore rupees was used in fact in the Goa election campaigning. So all of these points have been put forth by the CBI, and they are now seeking the remand of Arvind Kejriwal. Over to you.